Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 2nd, subject Marigold. Workbook, page number 52. In our last video, we have completed page number 45 to 49. Now today, we will start our work from page number 52. Okay, now our activity is fun time. First one, name the pictures and circle the silent letter in each word. So here some pictures given and we with blanks. We have to fill all these blanks with help of these words. So let's read. Knee, lamb, comb, thumb, knife, watch. Again, knee, lamb, comb, thumb, knife, watch. First, we will fill all these blanks. After that, we will find a silent letter. So, let's start. First one. First one is knee. So, where is the picture of knee? Yes, here it is. First one. So, here we write K-N double E, knee. Can you tell me that which letter is silent here? Yes, K. So here circle. Knee. So K is silent letter. Now next is lamb. So where is lamb? Yes, here. So here we write lamb. L-A-M-B. Which is the silent letter here? Yes, B is silent. So here we circle. So lamb. Next is comb. So where is the comb? Yes. Here we write C-O-M-B. Comb. So which is the silent letter here? B. B is silent. We are pronouncing that comb. Okay, next is thumb. So where is the thumb? Yes, here. So we write thumb here. T-H-U-M-B. So which is the silent letter here? Yes, B is silent. Thumb. Now next is knife. Where is knife? Yes, here it is. So we write here knife. K-N-I-F-E. Which is the silent letter here? Yes, K is silent. Okay, now last is watch. Where is watch? Yes, here. So W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Which is the silent letter here? Yes, T is silent letter. Watch. Okay, now our next activity is name the pictures. Circle the words that begin with W. So here are some words and some pictures. So we will fill all this blank with help of these words. So first we will read wheel, wall, vase, water, whale, vein, watch, violin, window. Okay, now first one is watch. Okay, so here we write watch. W-A-T-C-H. Now what's given here? Circle the words that begin with W. So these words begin with W. So we will circle on it. Now second one is flower vase. So here we write V-A-S-E. Third one, wheel. So W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. This word start with W. So we will circle on it. Now next is violin. So here violin, violin. Next is whale. So whale, whale. Here circle on it. Now next is water. What is the spelling of water? W-A-T-E-R, water, and circle on it. Okay, now what is the next picture? Yes, window. So what is the spelling of window? W-I-N-D-O-W, window, and circle. Now next is wall. So here we write wall, W-A-L-L. Now last one is van, V-A-N, van, and here circle. Okay, now question number 3. Look, listen and repeat. So let's read with me. First is cob. What is this? Cob. Code. Code. Pod. Road. Dog. Log. Mop. Top. Pot. Coat. Dot. Fox. Boy. Toy, and box. Okay, now next is write 3 rhyming words. So here some words given. We have to write 3 rhyming words for these words. So first one is job. So here J-O-B, job given, and O-N-B. So we have to find some words that end with O-B, job. So here cob, C-O-B, mob, M-O-B, probe, P-R-O-B, same. So cob, mob, and probe are rhyming words for job word. Now next is code. Now here you have to find some words that end with O-N-D, code. So here god, road, and pod. So these 3 rhyming word. Now next is fog, F-O-G, O-G. We have to find some words that end with O-N-G. So frog, dog, and log. Next is pop, P-O-P. So top, mop, and soap. And last one lot, L-O-T. So D-O-T, dot, pot, and coat. Okay, now question number 4. Listen and repeat. Here a poem given. So let's try to understand. How is the weather today? How is the weather today? As you can see in this picture, the wind is blowing so fastly. So the weather is windy. The wind is fast. The wind is strong. The wind is slow. The wind is gentle. Leaves blow, flags flap, kites fly, boats sail. On a hot day, the wind is cool. On a cold day, the wind is freezing. How is the weather today? The weather is windy. Okay, now here some activities given. These all activities are from that poem. So let's read. Read the poem. Fill in the blanks with the correct action words. So kites. So kites. What was in the poem? Kites fly. Yes. So here kites fly. Leaves blow. Leaves blow. Boats sail. And flags flap. Okay, next is read the poem. Fill in the blanks with the opposites of the underlined word. So here what is the underlined word? Slow and gentle. So we have to write the opposite words in these blanks. So first one is the wind is slow. So slow is underlined word. So and next is the wind is tease. So underlined word is slow. So what is the opposite of slow? Yes, fast. So here we write fast. So a sentence be like the wind is slow, the wind is fast. Second one, the wind is gentle, the wind is days. So here gentle is underlined word. So what is the opposite of gentle? Strong. So here S T R O N G, strong. So sentence be like the wind is gentle, the wind is strong. Third one, on a day's day the wind is cold. On which day the wind is cold? Yes, on a hot day. So here we write hot. On a hot day, the wind is cold. Okay, now our last activity is, are these sentences right or wrong? So, here some sentence given, we have to find out is this sentence are correct or wrong. So, let's see. First one, the weather is windy. The weather is windy. Yes, here right. Second is kites blow. Is it correct? No. Kites fly. So here cross mark. Third one, boats sail. Yes, boats sail. So here right mark. On a hot day, the wind is cool. Yes, in this poem, on a hot day, the wind is cool, and on the cold day, the wind is freezing. So here, this answer is right. So here, right sign. Thank you.